Hey, Dreamlight Valley fans! Struggling with error messages after the latest update? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Dreamlight Valley error messages after the latest update. Let's dive in. Step 1. Restart the game. If you're seeing errors like initialization error number 6 or number 201, first try restarting Disney Dreamlight Valley. Completely close the game on your PC, Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox, then relaunch it. This simple step can fix temporary glitches, especially after a big update. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, ensure your internet is stable. Errors like online services unavailable often point to connectivity issues. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. If the game still won't connect, the issue might be server-side. So check the official Disney Dreamlight Valley socials for updates. Step 3. Verify game files or reinstall. For PC players on Steam, right-click the game in your library, go to Properties, and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. On consoles, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game if restarting doesn't work. This can fix corrupted files from the update. That's it for this quick guide. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching.